This is a 1977 Dodge M880. In this video, we're going to show you what we did after we were the unfortunate victims of being T-boned by a couple of toddlers on a three-wheeler. Now, this isn't a how-to, this is a how we did it video. We are not body repair guys by any means. The way I sum this up is that we are level 1 body repair guys, and this is a level 10 dent. So we knew nothing about auto body repair. We had to research information and get tools in order to save money. Plus, it's Triage Garage, and that's what we do. So this is happening soon after the event happened. The driver's side door is pinned shut, and we're taking a stud puller, attaching studs, trying to pull. And you'll notice as the video progresses, there's some jumps in the time frame because my brother here on screen was working on this while I was working elsewhere. But we tried to document the footage when we could in order to present this to you. And one thing that's important, I feel, is to show you this happening in real time. You'll see a lot of how-to videos. They tell you what to do, show you what they're about to do, jump cut, and it's all done. This, you'll see mistakes that are made, little problems that arise, but we keep at it, and you'll see in the end how it turns out. Again, neither one of us are body repair experts. We're body repair novices. The door is slightly ajar. It is actually pinned shut at this point. It was the handlebar section of the three-wheeler that plowed right into the rocker panel and a child's head that smacked into the door. The children are okay, and they went back to having fun riding the three-wheeler after this happened. Bink. Stuff like that happens. And we assume that the metal on the rocker panel is very thick compared to modern vehicles, and that's why the studs are not sticking. Well, some of them. But you just keep at it. It takes time. Pull on it, test it, adjust it, break a stud off, try again. You see I'm tugging on the door. It's almost there.
Wish I had something to like reverse jack.
A little bit of mumbled dialogue as we're assessing the situation.
Just like right there, I don't think the door has enough or any. I think.
So we get the door open and continue working on the rocker panel.
Harbor Freight makes out clarity. It should be common sense, dumbass. Hey.
More studs, more tapping, more pulling. Again, showing you this in real time. Give you an idea of how long the process takes. I'm sure a pro could have had this done in a day, but when you're learning things and learning how to use new tools, there's a little bit of a learning curve. So just keep plugging away. And I would like to narrate the situation here as it's going. but I don't feel I have enough experience as a body repair person to be providing that kind of information. That's why this is it's not a how-to, it's a how we did it. Working that stud puller. And again, I'll break another one off. I think my man pinched his thumb. You know how it goes with auto repair. Jumping forward, he's been working on the door for a day or two. There's been a lot of working on it, going back to research, working on it, going back to research. And you find enough information that it'll get you where you need to be. Slowly working the dent from the outside inward. And yeah, it looks horrible. We are not professional. And I didn't get any footage of the backside, but we had pulled the speaker and put some blocks inside the door panel where we could to help brace the metal so as not to cause a dent to form inwards. And you see, we made a lot of progress. It's coming along pretty well. The hands of a working man. Still tapping and pinging away. Information is out there. Tools are available. There's a lot you can do by yourself if you're willing to do it. You might get a headache as you're learning, but once you have the knowledge, you'll be grateful. Brushing over to feel the high spots. And I'm not in any of the footage because I'm the camera guy, but I was there helping. It's a lot of painting and then feeling the progress and just slowly working the dent out.
Well, looks pretty good to sand and paint. Just gotta, it's gonna drive me nuts if I don't.
I would say this took about a week from start to finish. And for us being novices, it came out pretty well. We're happy with it. This is the end result. Walking up, looking at the rocker panel, you can see a fresh coat of white primer on there. And the door, it's pretty smooth. Thanks for checking this out. More to come in the near future. Triage Garage.